In this video, I'll be showing you how you can open a KDP account in 2025. Whether you're from Nigeria or any part of the world, it is very easy to open and set your account. If you're looking for different ways to make money online, Amazon KDP is one of them. It is a very good platform where you can make passive income every month. Amazon has a platform called Kindle Direct Publishing that gives individual access to self-publishing, where you can create a book and publish it by yourself without going through a commercial publishing company. You can actually publish a book by yourself and sell it on Amazon KDP. And the good part is that you don't need to be a professional writer. You don't need to have experience of writing for you to make money on Amazon KDP. So I'll be showing you how to start up in this video, because over time, there was time Nigerians were not allowed to open KDP with Nigerian number, but I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video. Just keep watching. So I'll be showing you two ways you can do this. First, I will use my phone to show you, then I will use my system as well to show you how to set up your account. Just go to www.kdp.amazon.com. It will bring you to this interface where you see join KDP or sign in. Click on join KDP. It will bring you to this interface. So here you are supposed to fill your first name and your last name. Ensure that your first name and the last name you will fill is the one on your government issued ID card. So now I'm going to fill all this information. I'm done filling them. Then you click on create your KDP account. So now is to solve this puzzle. Place the circle at the extreme there. Click on confirm. Now this puzzle is done successfully. It will now ask you to verify your email address. So I'm going to get the code from my email to fill it and confirm my email address. This is the code sent to my email address. You can see Amazon. So I'm going to confirm this email address. Email address is confirmed. Now they are asking for phone number. This is where it gets difficult before now, that when you put Nigerian number, they will tell you that this country is not allowed to join KDP. But recently, like a month ago, they started allowing Nigerian number. So here now, you can use your Nigerian number or any number of your country where you reside. So I'll be checking for Nigeria to use my Nigerian number. Here, Nigeria, looking for Nigeria. Here you go. So I'm going to put my number. So you can actually put your Nigerian number and use it to get a code each time you want to sign up. So I've already put my number. Now I'll click on get code. Now they've sent the code to my number. So what I will do is to put that code here and create my KDP account. But because I don't want to create this account with this email, because I want to use it for something else, not for Amazon. So once you put the code you get from your number, you put it here and you create your KDP account. Once your account is created, you log in with the information, your email address and the password you created. It will bring you to this dashboard. Your dashboard will be like this. You see all what is written up there. Complete your account information to publish a book. So you have to set up your account to start publishing. Setting up your account means putting in your account details, your receiving account details. So before creating an account, you must have opened the account to have your foreign account number, like a receiving account. You have to open an account either with Pioneer, Grade.co or GP. So these are the three ones I've used. There are other ones also. Open an account and have a receiving account either in dollars or in pounds or in euro. So you use that information to set up your account. You click on where you see accounts. Once you click on account, it will bring you to this interface where you now click on getting paid. You now set up your account. After setting up your account, you also have to set up your task information. So to set up the artist account, what I will do is to click on getting paid. It will bring me to this interface, tell us about your bank. You click on check-in, then go to that platform. That is what I'm doing here. You do copy and paste, press the routing number, you paste the account number, account name, and every information needed. Once you finish filling these informations, you have to cross-check to ensure that all the informations are correct, so you don't make a mistake. It must be your legal name on these account details. So once every information is correct, click on save. So the information is already saved. Then the next is your task information. Depending on your country, if you have a task number, you fill in the information here and input your task number. From Nigeria, if you have a TIN number, this is where you also need to put your TIN number. So here there are three options given. Either you have applied for a TIN number and it has not been issued, or you have your reasons why you've not applied, and the third option. So you choose any of these options. Anyone you choose and you do not provide a TIN number, what they will do is to issue you a form indicating that you do not have a TIN number, but you know that 30% will be deducted from your income every single month because you're coming from Nigeria. There are some persons that want to, avoid, or remove this 30% tax deduction. They will tell you to use South Africa address, but it's very risky because remember you need to do verification and what you have is Nigerian ID. So if you're using a South African address, it might really affect you, so I don't advise that. So once you input all the task information, it will tell you that your task information is successfully added. The next is to verify your ID. You need to verify all the information you have added here. So for Nigerians, they accept national ID card, voters card, international passport, or driver's license. So you must have either of these four to verify your ID. So you go ahead and click on verify ID. At the up there, you see where it say fix this. You click on it and you verify your ID, but you need to log out from this place and log into your phone in order to verify your ID, because you need to take a screenshot of your ID for them to verify. Once your ID is successfully verified, your account is created. The next is to focus on creating books. Then if you have not written a book before, or you do not have any experience of writing any book, I suggest you focus on creating low content book. It's very easy to create. You can go through my other videos where I spoke about low content niches that is very profitable, low in competition, and high in demand. So you can start creating low content book like journals, coloring books, puzzles, and a lot of them, planners. So you can start from there. Believe me, so many people are making passive income every single month writing on low content niches, and you can do that as well. It does not take much to do. You don't need to have experience to start it. Okay, that will be all on how to create an Amazon KDP account from Nigeria. Thank you guys for watching. If you're coming across this video for the very first time, this channel for the very first time, my name is Stacy, and here I talk about different ways you can make passive income online. If this is type of content you love to be seeing, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell as you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you and see you in my next video.